Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll see Overseas Visiting Doctor Fellowship by SERB, that is Science and Engineering Research Board. Application is open from 5th April 2021 till 1st June 2021. Objective: application for support to undertake research training during the doctoral research in overseas universities on a competitive mode is sought from eligible researchers to build national capacity in frontier area of science and engineering which are of interest to India by providing research training to PhD students admitted in the Indian institutions in overseas universities, institutions of repute, to provide opportunity to performing Indian research students to gain exposure and access to top class research facilities in academia and labs in specific overseas universities, to create opportunities to build long-term R&D linkages and collaboration with accomplished scientists and technologists from around the world, to tap the expertise gained by this young scientists to strengthen, initiate national programs in their domain knowledge. Eligibility is: the scheme is open to Indian national only. The applicant should have registered for full-time PhD degree in any of the recognized institutions, universities in India in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, including medicine, pharma, agriculture, and related S&T area disciplines. Part-time and sponsored students are not considered under the program. Also, students who have submitted their thesis for award of the degree of PhD are not eligible to apply. Selection and application process. Applications are invited from PhD students to work with overseas institutions who have signed an agreement MOU with SERB for student mobility. Applications will be sought annually. The selection will be made among students who obtain an offer letter from overseas institution to carry out research in chosen area of interest to India. The applicant who intend to undertake research visit to the following universities to whom SERB has signed MOU should apply directly to the university. These are the two universities and their websites are already provided. You can just go through it and apply. These are the details for fellowship amount, which is given for travel, allowance, accommodation, contingencies, and related travel cost. Let us quickly see the other guideline. The application for consideration under the Overseas Visiting Doctoral Fellowship Program can be submitted only when the call for application is made. The duration of the research training is up to a period of 12 months. In exceptional circumstances, the fellowship may be extended for 6 more months, subject to performance evaluation. For scientists, researchers in regular employment, rule governing payment of salary, leave, medical gratuity, GPF, and pension, etc. of the organization or institution or university to which the fellow belongs will continue to be applicable. No liability in any of this account will be borne by SERB. The selected fellows, while taking up the SERB Overseas Fellowship, should not withdraw their regular research fellowship in India. The candidates selected for the award of the fellowship should commence their research in the overseas institution within 3 months from the date of the offer letter, and if not, the offer will be automatically withdrawn and no correspondence will be entertained thereafter. The exchange visit of the supervisor should be during the tenure of the PhD work of the applicant. Both the supervisors should ensure a residency period of at least 2 weeks and not exceeding 30 days in their respective foreign institutes. The Indian institution should ensure the availability of necessary facilities, including scientific equipment, infrastructure, manpower, etc., for facilitating the visit of overseas scientists for undertaking the collaborative research. The institution should also extend all necessary administrative support to the proposed work. The OVDF applicant should contact the above university for undertaking this fellowship. For more information, you can contact program coordinator Email ID is already given here. Thank you very much for watching my video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.